about everything.
You need to stop being a baby and complaining. You also need to stop complaining about everything also.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
Sorry about the wind noise today, guys. It is a windy day. It's the wind's blowing here in Central Florida. We did a little bit of an experiment last time we rode. We tried two different kinds of air filters. We used the traditional, Lillian used the traditional air filter, and Luke used this web filter. This, what is it called? Hold on. Funnel web filter. Double the surface, twice the effectiveness. We got this from RockyMountainATV.com. Be sure to use our link below to help us out if you order one. But we wanted to test it out. They say that this has more surface, so it spreads the dirt out, so your bike should breathe better. I don't know, you guys be the judge. I think it worked, actually. If you think about it, like this is caked on pretty good. It's gonna be kind of hard to get air through there because there's almost like a thin layer of dirt over the surface. This one definitely is dirty, definitely has lots of dirt, but it is spread out and it is kind of clean on the funnels, so I guess it worked. Nevertheless, we got to get these clean. We also have these two dirty that we need to wash as well. Last time I cleaned the air filters using the WRF3 foam filter. It worked really good, but a lot of people commented and they're like, dude, why don't the kids clean their air filters? So touche, good point. I need to be a good dad. I need to make my kids clean the air filter. But YouTube actually has been demonetizing a lot of our videos because we do dangerous things, apparently. So I'm gonna have the kids clean the air filter, but we're gonna do it as safe as possible. That way YouTube doesn't demonetize the video. Okay, I need you to climb up to the top of the barn.
What do you want me to do?
We need to clean the air filters! I need you to dump the WRF3 cleaner into the bucket!
Smells good. It smells like bubblegum.
Now I need you to throw the air filters down and then Luke's gonna catch it in the bucket.
Oh.
Yeah!
No! No! We gotta keep doing it! The wind's being really strong right now, and I don't like it. Bro, that's not my fault. I'm not the weatherman.
Never mind, I'll just edit it. Okay, so you have to get the solution to kind of like soak into the air filter, break up all the dirt, and then you rinse it in the clean bucket of water, okay? Good job, man. Okay, you don't twist it. When you wring it out, don't twist it though, because you can rip the foam.
Wow, that is clean.
Does it smell good, Mason?
That does actually smell really good.
It does smell good?
Mmm.
That should be their slogan. WR Performance Products. Dads like the way it cleans, kids like the way it smells. That works really good, because these air filters were like, these were bad.
Like,
these were bad air filters.
that was almost as easy as throwing fatties.
Thanks again to our friends at WR Performance Products. Use the link below to save 20% and then get your kids to work.
2 hours later.
Good job, Luke. You want to follow him off it?
Would you mind
Okay, yeah, do that. Roll it a couple times. Great. Third? Okay. Going him in. Oh, no. She lost him. He got soft?
No, he cut me off.
Oh, Luke cut you off? Oh, I thought he was towing you in.
What? How the hell did I cut you off?
I don't know. Why did you cut her off, Luke?
I didn't. I went straight this time. Go do it, dude.
Okay, go.
Go do it.
Don't cut her off this time. A lot of times people are all worried about what gear to hit a jump in for the first time. I think it's better to go up a gear. The bike's less twitchy. It doesn't react as much. But it says she's going to do third. Oh. Woo! You need to stop being a baby and complaining. You also need to stop complaining about everything also. Those two things.
The one back there is scary because it's always got some weird rut up to it. And I did it.
Oh, okay. Well, good job on this one. I'm glad you made it successfully. Good job, Luke. All right, so Luke says he's hitting the tabletop after the step up now. There's a step up, which will be the last jump on here that he hasn't hit yet. There it is. I'm gonna go over here and get some shots, and this means that he's hit every single jump on this track. So good job, bud. All right, there it is. That tabletop right there. Here he comes. Yeah! Woo! That was smooth, man. Nice. Luke's been working on brake tapping too. Let's watch and see if he does it. Good job, man. It did not even look sketchy at all. Easy goes it. I like ruts on a track, I really do, but not on a jump face. I would not be hitting that. I'm proud of Luke. He's doing it. He's making it look easy, but I would not be hitting that jump right now. They gave us an extra box, dude.
Let's go.
All right, so good job today, Luke. As I was saying earlier in the video, I was saying like hitting a jump with ruts on the face like that is something that I probably wouldn't have done. Like in a turn, it's easy to rail ruts. You lean into them, you use them to gain traction. But on a face, on a jump face, they can kick you sideways. If you're off balance, it throws you one way or the other. So since you're better at it than I am, Luke, what advice do you have for people on how to hit ruts?
So basically what you want to do is just have your eyes locked on the rut and just commit to it. And as you're going up to it, probably give it a little bit more gas than usual because the lip's going to be chewed down. So I recommend leaning back and just giving it gas and just looking forward and looking where you want to go. That helps a lot with balancing inside of the rut.
Do you look at the top of the rut, or do you, like when you're coming up into the face and you have to pick your rut, do you look at the front of the rut or do you look at the top of the rut?
I typically look at the top. Just because that's where you're aiming for, that's where you're trying to get to.
That makes sense. Okay. All right, maybe I'll try it now.
You're so bad!